Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your account location on Roblox. So if your location is showing the wrong country or randomly changed, just follow along step by step and you'll be able to fix it. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Roblox app. Tap on More, then go into Settings. If you're using the Roblox website instead, don't worry. Just click on the gear icon in the top corner and select Settings. Now, open Account Info. Scroll down until you see Account Location. Here's something important to know. Roblox usually updates your account location automatically based on where you sign in from. So after a few login sessions in your current country, your location should update on its own. But if your location is wrong or suddenly changed, this can happen if you used a VPN or if someone else signed into your account from another location. If that's the case, make sure your email address and phone number are correctly added to your account and that you still have access to your email. After that, you should change your password and turn on two-step verification to secure your account. Now, if your location still doesn't update automatically, we'll need to contact Roblox support. Go to the Roblox website and sign in if you're not already logged in. Click the gear icon at the top, then choose Help and Safety and select Help Center. At the top, tap on the search box, type Account Location, and click on the Account Location option that appears. Scroll down, then click on Need More Help, Contact Support here. Now fill out the form. Enter your username, enter your email address, preferably the one linked to your account, re-enter the same email in the Confirm Email Address box. Next, open the Device Type menu and select the device you usually play Roblox on. Then, open Type of Help and choose How To. After that, open Help subcategory and select How To Change My Location. In the message box at the bottom, describe the issue you're having. You can explain that your account location is incorrect and not updating. If you believe someone else accessed your account, make sure to mention that as well. Once everything looks good, click Continue. Within a few days, you should receive an email from Roblox support helping you fix the issue. And that's it. That's how you can change your account location on Roblox. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Roblox tutorials.